Welcome to Raj Cloud Technologies. This is Sai Sri from Raj Cloud Technologies, Bangalore. I have overall 10 plus years of experience in IT. I have been worked with several technologies, Snowflake, DBT, AWS, Azure, Big Data, and Oracle database and several databases. I have worked with different companies, Wipro, HTC, CTS, and currently working with Accenture. So today, why Snowflake plus DBT plus ADF? Why not only Snowflake? Because Snowflake is only cloud data warehouse. We go with the combination of cloud data warehouse plus ETL. That's we are going to cover in DBT. So with the help of DBT, we are going to cover ETL process in a cloud platform. That's the reason Snowflake plus DBT have a great opportunities in the market. Along with that, we are going to cover ADF, which is coming from Azure. So we are going to provide Azure cloud provider also. This makes more advantage to your profile. These three combination of profiles are very less in the market, but requirement we have a lot. That's the reason if we are going with these three combinations, this combination help you to get more opportunities. If you go with only Snowflake, you'll get less opportunities in the market. Coming to timings, guys, we are going to start at 9 a.m. IST soon, and fee will be 15K. 5K will be for enrollment. Once you're done with enrollment at the start of our course, that day you have to pay remaining amount. Coming to job market, Snowflake plus DBT plus Azure, we have lot of job market. You no need to have any doubt on that. Lot of companies are looking for this kind of profiles, and also you can have a demanding packages with multiple offers. That's the reason you don't need to worry about packages or opportunities in the market. Who can join in this course? A person who is coming from non-IT, IT background, and they have career gap. All this kind of people can join in this course. We are there to help you prepare your resume as an experienced person. At the same time, we will give all real-time scenarios training. That's the reason any degree, any kind of profiles are welcome to join in this training. And about the students, how they will get the opportunities. From our side, myself and Raj is going to work with consultancies. So with the help of that consultancies, we are going to share your resume and get more opportunities for you. We will try to shortlist your resume as soon as possible and make very competitive to other candidates. So we with the help of all these steps, you'll get more opportunities from our side also. And also we are going to cover real-time concepts. With the help of this real-time concept, you can crack your interviews with a smooth road, and you can work with your job also in a smooth road. You know, never feel it's a different world. Whatever you are learning in the training on the real-time experience level, same that will be impacted in your job and interviews. It helps you to feel very habited technology in the coming up jobs. So that's the way how we are going to plan our course for our students. And also we are going to cover all the real-time sessions from day one. We are going to show you how the real-time world will be there, how to work with the real-time concepts, real-time scenarios, everything we are going to help you to understand here for the purpose of interviews also. And also coming to we are providing the materials. So you don't need to worry. Every day you'll have some materials related to the concepts. And coming to resume preparation, as per your profile, according to the person to person individual, we are going to prepare resume. You no need to worry of any background what you have the profile right now. We will change that into the Snowflake. We are there to help you in the resume preparation. And also we will provide some interview questions which helps you to practice before going to interview. And also we are going to take some mock interviews to make you to feel comfort in the real time interviews. This all steps will be helpful for cracking the interview as soon as possible. Coming to the course content, I am going to cover from the account creation to till advanced topic. If you go with the course content in our website, you'll find all the details. So from account creation to architect, admin part, and also development part. In development also, we are going to cover advanced topics of time travel, zero copy cloning. Like this, all the advanced topics we are going to cover. So you no need to worry about the course content. We are going to cover semi-structured data like JSON and XML, which will be all attractive points in your resume, guys. This is the reason we designed our course content in a real-time related scenarios and concepts. Coming to DBT, you have to get the knowledge on models, source, snapshot, like these different real-time concepts we are going to share with you, and you will get knowledge on the real-time concepts of those who we going to train you. And also pipeline from ADF to Snowflake, it helps you to get more knowledge on the end-to-end pipeline. All this we are planning as per the real-time concepts and real requirements, guys. You no need to worry. We are focusing on how real-time job is happening and what are the concepts they are covering, what are the stories they will be created to work, everything end to end we are going to cover on the real-time basis. This is how we are planning for you students. This helps you to get the job and complete your job fulfill. And this is our Raj Cloud Technologies YouTube channel. You can please subscribe our channel. You'll get more informative videos from us. So this helps you to get more information from Raj Cloud Technologies. Thank you, guys.